Hi everyone, are you ready for our new sound today? Show me you're ready, sit up straight and show me your magnet eyes. Fantastic. Our new sound today is mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Well done. Okay, watch. My turn. Mm. Your turn. Well done. Have a look at my lips when I'm saying it. Okay, my turn. Mm. Your turn. Well done. Okay, watch. My turn. Down Nobby over his net. My turn again, listen. Down Nobby over his net. Your turn. Well done. My turn. Down Nobby over his net. Your turn. Fantastic. Have a look, see what I found. It's the same. Nobby and his net. Nobby and his net. Nobby. Nobby. Fantastic. Okay, so we play our game. Okay, when you see this side, you say, when you see this side, it's up to you. You can say Nobby or you can say net. Up to you. Are you ready? Good looking. Keep going. Well done. Fantastic. Okay, we are going to do our Fred talk. So I'm going to say the sounds and I want to see if you can hear the word. If you can hear the word, shout it out. If not, say the sound and that may help you to hear the word. Are you ready? Did you get the word? Net. Opt. Opt. Not. Did you get it? Nan. App. App. Nap. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, so we are going to do our speedy sounds. Okay, so I'm going to hide our new sound in here. When you see it, don't forget sparkle and say, let's have a practice. Fantastic. I'm going to hide in our sounds. Okay, are you ready? Well done. I'm going to hide it again. Let's get ready. Well done. Let's keep going. Well done. Super speedy sounds. Fantastic. Excellent. This is our sound. You can go and practice. Remember to say or down, knobby, and over his neck. Fantastic. And I'll see you soon. Bye.